An explosion went off on an Ishaka-Bushenyi-bound Swift Safari bus, registration number UAU 989T, between 5 p.m. yesterday. The incident happened at Lungala Trading Center, a few kilometers from PG Town Council along Kampala-Masaka Highway. After the blast, bomb experts were dispatched to the crime scene to carry out investigations. Investigators at Lungala crime scene have been obtaining evidence. The investigation conducted at the scene of an explosion plays a vital role in uncovering the cause of the incident. The evidence recovered can help in identifying, charging, and convicting suspected criminals. At 12:57 p.m., bomb experts who have been gathering and carrying out investigations at the crime scene left the crime scene. The Swift bus was driven to Mpegi police station as investigators continue to hunt for perpetrators. After all security operatives left the crime scene, it eased the traffic flow of motorists along Masaka Highway. Meanwhile, the administrator at Mpegi Health Center 4, who declined to talk to us on camera, said that all injured persons were transferred to Kampala for further management. Haruna Mutesasira, reporting for UBC News at Lungala, Mpegi District.